it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. So if you've been on my channel for a while, you will know that a lot of my content centers around Lolita fashion. I wear it in a lot of my videos where I'm just sitting down here and talking. I do a lot of videos with reviews of Lolita dresses and just wearing the fashion in general. But I have gotten some comments asking to see what I wear in my normal everyday closet, so today I wanted to give you a lookbook of 5 kawaii winter outfits that I wear from my everyday wardrobe. It's actually taken me a while to build the kawaii pastel wardrobe of my dreams, so I'm very excited to show you some pieces from my closet today. Let's go! that's it for the lookbook, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe got some inspiration for how to plan your kawaii wardrobe. Once I get the rest of my closet unpacked from storage and the spring and fall months come along, I would love to do even more kawaii pastel lookbooks for you guys for the different seasons. Well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me on my channel today. And if you enjoyed yourself, please do consider hitting that subscribe button down below or the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Well, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you enjoy the rest of yours as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!